VERI stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday is Veritone stock a buy. I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. I am the only guy in this space that has done this for 43,000 videos over 5 years. I've documented everything. I'm not even exaggerating. It's all on my YouTube channel. You could watch every single one of those videos, and I've also documented what's working and what's not. After a good pump like this, I can do nothing but just look to double down on the long side, you know. So how will this look like? Well, I have this 15-minute chart. I have my demand zone right here. And if I actually do see the price pulling a bit lower and giving me a shift, then of course I'm looking to buy. Like straight up. You know what I mean? So right here, all I'm doing in the meantime, just waiting for rules to be met. And if you want to stay tuned and get my money-making emails and insights for free, just click the first link in the description. And I'm very curious if I have it's VERI, right? Not much, just kind of autocorrects here. But yeah, let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to get my money-making emails and insights for free, first link below.